I got a message from a new client the other day. She sent me a message that says, quote, "I've listened to the first 5 lessons in the attitude hack. Now my garage is organized, my house is clean, and I'm taking inventory of my life all before 10 a.m. It is effective material, to say the least." You know, it was a long time ago that I realized that my attitude was driven by how I think and how I feel. And that almost always comes out of my feelers and through my mouth and into the universe. And so I help leaders figure out what it is that they're saying, what they're thinking, what they're feeling, that's either building their business and building their team, or it's breaking them down. If that's something that you and your team could use, there's a nice little course online called Attitude Hack on StoryPowerAcademy.com. And if you need the corporate training, there's a button for that too. I'm J. Loren Norris with StoryPowerAcademy.com. I hope to see you very soon.